Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri, and I just making this video due to like Nifty has trapped everyone or who were in the selling side or maybe having the positions on Friday basis. So I like confidently saying to you, don't take any sort of position in any of the side, because market has to decide the trend according to Monday basis. So Monday on Monday, market has decided that market don't want to go the downside. So it has confidently open on the upside above the 24,540, and continuously it is making buy on dip setup. So where we have planned a beautiful buy on dip for the target of 24,745. I will be going to square off, and this will be the high probability trade because this is a kind of Monday trap setup which is in from my educational purpose only. So this is one of my best setup, and whenever it's going to be activate, I always used to choose capture the swing whatsoever, like it is going to be on support or above the support. So we have to identify accordingly. So this is above the support, and till then it's not going to breach 24,540, which is Friday's closing basis. So we are not going to short Nifty today itself. This is very much possible. Maybe Nifty will be going to give a breakdown or a fall maybe day after tomorrow or by tomorrow itself. But today I cannot justify a price action which is bearish. Today price action is little bit slightly flat to positive. So this would be the leading trade. And whereas like US market and all markets, if you have seen, so after giving a huge sailing in the US market, our market is not going to be like in a sailing, and it has opened as a gap up, and 50-40 points gift nifty was showing that time a gap up, so which is again a indicator that market has some trappy sailors who have making their positions at their particular point. So they must be in a trap because they have made their positions at this particular point, and where market has took their SLs and ready to give a move towards the upside. So we are making a positions. I have already made my position in the morning only, where it has opened as a gap up and sustaining, which is very important, sustaining. So I have raised this position, and I will be square off if it is going to give any close above 24,540. So till then it's above the support and it is making buy on dip. So we are in on the trade, and we are just going to trail our target because it's a trappy one. So maybe the target will be which I have 24,745. I will release my 80% quantity. Then according to price action basis, if it is going to continuously above the side, so I will be definitely going to square off, because this is a kind of on higher time frame is a sale on rise market. So in this market we cannot go blindly for a buy on dip, but price action is bullish. So we are taking this kind of risk with a low risk big reward is already I have told to you. So I always used to choose these kind of trades, and Sensex is also looking very beautiful. So 81,000 before you need to book your profit. So where 81,000's call is making a huge profit, you can make risk to reward in 81,000 call. And in Nifty itself, 24,800 is maybe having a value premiums, and 56,000 itself in Bank Nifty having a value premium. So these you can look forward for the upside these premiums, because we have to find the strike premiums which is having a value. If it is indicating a value, then definitely one move towards the risk to reward we can achieve, and this is definitely go for the trade. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor. And according to this price action is bullish, so we are trailing this position for the further basis, which is 745. Maybe I will gonna book my profit, and then see the price action. I don't think it will be going to give any sort of like selling, because it has one seller attempt has got failed at here, where it has given a this kind of hammer, which is indicating us that buyers are very strong today. So don't try to make short. This is a total kind of suggestion from my side. If you are making any really want to go with the price action, so you need to make buy on dip. So whenever it's going to show any sort of dip towards the support, so you need to make your position. Till then it is also, bank nifty is also above the support, which is 55 450 and all. So this is a kind of consolidation zone in bank nifty. So whereas nifty have more confidence in the buying side. So if it is going to sync with nifty, then definitely here one move can towards the 55 800 and 850s would be possible in bank nifty as well. So keep on eye on these particular levels. So whereas I can suggest to you in bank nifty, you have to keep on eye on 55 425 and 55 575. So this would be the price action is slightly positive. So if you found any 15-minute candle close above this level, so you can try to make long positions. And in nifty 24 540, I already suggested to you. So above this level you need to try to find a positive price action, so you will be going to make longs only. And you need to be very like cautious above the level, so you have to book your clearly exit is very important. At the same time 24/7 45 we have the resistance, so before that you need to book your profit, which is very much like likely to happen, because otherwise your profit will be going to convert in a loss. So go for a part booking according to the price action. It's bullish, but I know Friday's price action, and